How to log in Snapchat without OTP. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you have two-factor authentication turned on and you need a one-time password, that is OTP, to log into your Snapchat, but here's what you can do if you do not have access to your OTP. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Here now in the login page, you can use the recovery code. If you created one before, on the Snapchat login screen, you can tap on use recovery code, and this only works if you've saved your recovery code in your Snapchat settings beforehand. You can also try logging in from a device that you've used before. If you're still logged in to another phone, on that phone you can go to settings and then go to two-factor authentication. After that, tap on recovery code and then use the recovery code given and then use that code to log into your new device. See if you can get a code by email, and on the OTP screen, tap on try another way and choose email if it's an option. You can also try contacting the Snapchat support. If you can't access your phone number or email address, you can go to support.snapchat.com and go to I need help. You can also try filling out the contact form by going to contact us option and there fill out the form with your account info. And if you do not have the OTP or the recovery code, your only option is to contact the Snapchat support. Snapchat prioritizes security, so there is no other way to log in without verifying your identity. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.